Bless you. Hey you guys, welcome back to the vlog. I want to go turn that light out. We are actually in Dallas. I can actually sit right here. We're actually in Dallas. We got in at probably at 1 o'clock this morning. So I couldn't do a room tour because we were too tired, and no one got time for that. When you sleepy, you sleepy. You ain't got time to be doing no room tour. So we ended up staying in a what is this called? Where are we at? Embassy Suites. And I'm not sure what part of I think the Embassy Suites by the Galleria. We're in the Embassy Suites by the Galleria. My grandson wanted to stay at the Westin. That was $500 a night. Not for no weekend getaway. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I mean, this ain't a luxury trip, but this is just a want to get away before. Say hi, Caleb. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Caleb, where we going? What we doing, Caleb?
I'm going to go to Andretti's.
We're going to go to Andretti's. He wants to go to the water park. We're going to go see about the water park and see what the what's up with that. I really don't want to do the water park because it monkeypox, and I've been hearing people coming back saying they went to the beach and they got monkeypox, and I'm just like so over that. We have a private pool at home in my backyard, so he can have all the fun he wants in that, which I'm actually gonna get some more stuff. I'm finna get him a basketball because he really wants a basketball goal. So I'm gonna get him a basketball goal this fall to put back there because we're getting getting a heater put on the pool. So I'm excited about that. Yeah, I'm so excited about that. So we can swim in the fall, in the winter time. Because we live in Arkansas, and if you are familiar with hot springs, they actually have heated pools, so you can go swimming in the wintertime and as well as the fall. However, you guys know we don't get winter until mid-February, March, April. That's when our winter really is at its height. So we pretty much are fortunate where we can still go swimming in August, September, October, November, depending on what the season presents itself. And I'm hoping that it's going to be good to us because it's been so hot during the summer. I'm hoping that hot will kind of last just a little longer, but not as hot. But yeah, so actually I didn't put any edge control, but I guess I don't need to put any edge control. But this is my hair. So you guys, we're about to go downstairs and go grab us some breakfast. So come with us. Come on, Caleb. Don't drop it, dude. We're going this way. Let's go that way because I want some carpet. Huh? I want to see it, Caleb. I dropped my drink last night. I have a neurological disorder, and when my hand is closed shut, it cramps off. Caleb, it dried. Huh? It dried, Caleb. It was right here. Exactly right here, because there's the stain. Uh-oh, that's the stain. You see it? I think they saw me last night. What's up? Oh, here's a bar. I'll do this tonight. Yeah, we stayed at this one, Caleb. This is the one we stayed at. You're gonna pop my ass off. grab my stuff. What's that? Do we need any of these? Oh, why you got me plastic? Ain't no fork in, no, what's your name in there? Never mind. I just use this. Excuse me. Do they make omelets over there?
The omelet?
Mm-hmm. Is that over there?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Okay. You just walk around?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm getting an omelet. We are, what is this?
The Shade Store. Could be all of it together.
The Shade Store. What's that other one?
I can't see that far down.
I know there's a store that you can get bracelets, stone bracelets. I need to know where that is. They got a West Elm here. Okay, you guys, we are now at the CB2. We're not going to be in here that long. I'm just going to go see what they have. This is actually my first time ever going to a CB2. I've shopped at West Elm, so you guys saw that in my St. Louis vlog part 2. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link that video down below or somewhere. Probably put a card somewhere in this video so you guys can see that video for sure. That video will be linked down in my description area, and I really enjoyed that video. So you guys, yeah, let's go inside. So you guys, we just went through to the Nespresso store. I didn't buy anything because I didn't think I needed any more coffee, but I ordered a drink to see how I like it. I am making my drinks good. And this drink is so good. This drink is so bomb.
So, real bomb.
This food got a hot drink. And he don't want it, and I paid $6 for it.